on down. All right, raiding up in. Well, there's a top of a tree down. We'll get that cleaned up and see what else there is. So looking at this a little bit closer, this tree was dead and blew over in some wind, and then it took out the very top of this, I'm assuming dead tree as well, and it clipped that one up there, this one right here, and clipped that and broke that branch off. Well, so it did feel a bit shaky. I lost one nut and the other one's loosened up. So hopefully I can find it so I can keep running this saw. Otherwise I gotta run the small saw and then buy a new nut. Well, that's the first time that's happened to me. I've definitely heard of it happening before. I just never experienced that. So that's why I bring a second saw, so we can keep working and not have to hunt for that screw forever, or that nut forever, and never actually find it. So maybe we'll find it when we're cleaning up, but otherwise we're just gonna keep working. take this little one down just so there's not anything extra left. I'm just gonna drop the top here. One less dead tree to come down. On to the next mess. This just doesn't stop. The funny thing is, I was up here, well, about 3 weeks ago, hiked up in 6 to 8 inches of snow, carrying the big saw to check for any tree damage from the snowfall, and there was nothing. But apparently things were damaged enough from the snow, or just from time, that they decided to come down. Holy cow. What is that? Both those broke off. I'm not sure. All right, let's see. So I'm guessing that one came down, hit this, split these, and that one dropped off over this way, and that one shattered over there. Yeah. Oh, man. Yeah. Luckily, I just clipped that roof, but that's not a big deal. Oh, man. Yeah, that one just... Oh, that must have... This one right here must have come from that one. Just got knocked down, I'm guessing. It's kind of what it looks like. Oh, what a mess. Luckily, most of it's in the woods. I just need to take care of what's on this path and what's on that path. There's a lot of little pine branches down, but really not worried about those. Those could just get kicked off to the side when I'm doing walk-arounds in the spring. Let's take a quick walk over and see if there's any other trees further up or on any other paths that I gotta deal with. And we'll get that one cleaned up and get on out of here. We got another tree down. Luckily, we had well, that pine tree, that one, and that one. Nope, that was an old one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 big pine trees that were right behind this building that definitely would have crushed this building. They got taken out. We got, look, yeah,
We got a tree there. Probably wasn't dead, but root ball got taken out. Just looks like there's pine branches. I really don't need to worry about the pine branches right now. Oh, it got warm again. Probably gonna run out of battery while I'm doing this. Yeah, it's just, there's pine branches down here, but luckily we got rid of the big sketchy pine trees that were right around this building, especially this huge one, that tree. There's two over there. There's a third one, or there's, yeah, another one right there. They got all taken out. Otherwise I would have had a lot more tree damage. I think the next thing for this is to have just a tree climber come in and just, well, I guess if they come in the right time of year, they could bring a bucket in and just get up to all these pine trees and take out all the dead branches, clean them up, check for any, you know, we got no cabins that have been crushed yet, so that's good. Just a lot of little messes all around that either come up and just grab the four wheeler one day and bring the little trailer and just collect them all and either make a pile of them off to the side in the woods somewhere where I can get a chipper to it, or just burn them. I don't know. I think the simplest thing is just chuck them in the woods so they're out of the way. I remember way back when I first started. Yeah, this little pavilion, this tree was dead and sketchy, and I was given the opportunity, nay, the glory of cutting it down. And well, it didn't go well because it leaned right against that building. I did get it down. It just 18-year-old me thought, yeah, this will be easy. I'm a little bit more cautious and thoughtful about cutting trees down now than I used to be. But, well, so far, I don't care when trees fall down. I really don't. I only care when they fall down and hit something that I have to fix. That annoys me. Other than that, I'll clean up a mess all day. Well, that mess is cleaned up enough. That mess is cleaned up enough. Paths are opened up. We're good to go. I'm gonna get out of here. I did look around for that nut a little bit more, but I'm never gonna find it, especially with the little magnet I got. So I'll just have to pick up another one plus 2 or 3 spares. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.